Apparently, there has been some confusion with comparing Marines with Navy Corps people. This is understandable since both have the ability to enforce international law. In efforts to protect the American public, there should be no confusion though between police and fire, as there is no comparison available. Police take an oath to defend the Constitution of the United States of America. This means we protect the public through heroic actions like taking bullets, entering, burning buildings, cars and vessels, and enforcing laws predatorily abused by 99ers. A firefighter has no overarching commitments beyond self-gratification. Fire people learn to put water on fires. This would be acceptable except for the fact they need the police to clear the way and make it code 4 for their arrival. If an elderly person slips and falls while on the toilet, fire personnel will stage several blocks away, in force, while the lone police officer ensures it is safe to enter. If a medic gets flagged down on a medical aid call of a sick homeless man, they will call cover now when the homeless man refuses treatment. Make no mistake, firefighters have contributed to society. Leather chairs and big screen TVs would never have come as far as they have in comfort and design without the input from firefolks. A firefighter regularly confuses a hero sandwich where they get fresh meats from local supermarket, on duty of course, with heroic acts performed routinely by police officers, all without fanfare. So, while firefighters wear a uniform, drive around in shiny vehicles, also known as posers, and all drive lifted 4x4s paid for by second jobs because they only work half of what a real employee is required to work, there is no real commonality between police and fire. With that in mind, I have taken the time out of my busy schedule to correct the comparison. A police officer and a firefighter were in the local Starbucks discussing service. This was only happenstance because the officer had just finished handling a radio call next door where he delivered the baby of a female in labor. By the time the firefighter's dispatch allowed him to move in, the work was done as usual. Fireman Bob, I know you would like to be able to fill my shorts. Take heed, they have surgical procedures to increase your sense of manliness. Just keep in mind, we in law enforcement save lives daily. Yay, but Daryl, we cook like mama used to. We even have the aprons to prove it. Point taken, Bob. We even start our own fires to put fear in the hearts of the public so we can get regular pay raises. I know. While there is a long list of self-entitled fire fetuses waiting to get your job, the herds are regularly thinned by the exceptional police investigations wherein firefighters are arrested for arson cases. Daryl, firefighters invented the art of pulling hose. Can't you walk me back to my shiny rig where the rest of my compadres are inside playing Who's Got My Hose? Do you think I can become a police officer? Unfortunately, Bob, due to rigid standards required of a police officer, the firefighter always failed the entrance exam, which only requires a high school diploma or equivalent.